what we are going to discuss in microwave and optical communication laboratory. Today experiments the voltage characteristics using reflex klystron and mode characteristics using reflex klystron. First of all, we are going to discuss voltage characteristics using reflex klystron. So before that, we are going to discuss some fundamentals on this particular experiments. So what are the devices we are going to use here? The Klystron power supply, Klystron mount with tube, isolator, variable attenuator, frequency meter, slotted section, detector mount, oscilloscope, SWR meter. With the help of this SWR meter, we can calculate the value of power in the range of decibel. With the help of this oscilloscope, we can identify the signal in the form of wave. So if you want to see in the form of waves, then use oscilloscope. You don't want to see in the form of wave representation, then use this device. With the help of this device, we can calculate the value of power, right? Right. Now we are moving to the experimental explanations. So before we are going to switch it on, already it was switched on. But here I know some procedures, so that already I switched it on. But before we are going to switch it on, please remember every one of you, high tensity should be off condition. So if you are going to be switched on this, it will come directly to 200 voltage, so that it is going to be off condition. Beam voltage should be minimum value, rippler voltage should be maximum value. So modulation should be AM. We needed to keep the modulation mode as AM mode. Okay, right. So now I am going to press this HT switch. So once we switch it on this HT switch, then voltage it will move on to 200 voltage, it will move on 200 voltage. Then we are going to, for voltage characteristics, initial setup, what is the initial value here, 200 voltage. Then we are going to identify, then we are going to set up the beam voltages. So we are going to set three types of voltage we are going to set with the help of this beam voltage option. First we are going to keep 210 voltage. So 210 voltage, we are going to keep 210 voltage. See, 210 voltage I am going to keep. For 210 voltage, what is the starting point and the ending point from the oscilloscope? We are going to identify. That is more for the first setup. Next, after that, we are going to identify 215. So second mode, we are going to identify second beam voltage as 215. We are going to keep 215. And the third, we are going to keep 220, not more than that. Okay, please remember this very most important point. So 210, I am going to keep this beam voltage as 210 voltage. I am going to keep. Okay, so 210 voltage, 210. Slowly we need to vary. So 210 voltage. Please take your observation in the lab record. Note beam voltage. What is beam voltage here? 211 voltage here. So you needed to note down this beam voltage as 211 voltage. Then current should be. What is the current value? 13 milliamps current. This one also you have to note down. And the rippler voltage also you have to note down. What is the rippler voltage for corresponding beam voltage? Minus 283 voltage. What is the unit? Voltage. Okay, these three readings you have to note down before we are going to do this experiments. What is the experiments we are discussing? Voltage characteristics using reflex klystron or reflex klystron voltage characteristics. Okay, now we set the beam voltage. Now I am going to switch it on this CRO. Now what we have to do next process, we are going to minimize rippler voltage from maximum position to minimum position. I am going to minimize. So I am going to minimize slowly. I am going to identify with the help of this rippler voltage variation. With the help of this rippler voltage variation, what we are going to identify? Maximum point and the minimum point. Or otherwise starting point and the ending point we are going to identify. See here waveform is on CRO oscilloscope. Please everyone please watch carefully. On CRO 178 at minus 178 voltage, rippler at minus 178 voltage. Which voltage? Rippler voltage minus 178. We are getting the starting point. Okay, then so this one you have to note down. 178 is a starting point in your observation. In your lab record, you have to note down the starting point as 179 and the ending point. So ending point, how we are going to identify? Slowly decrement this value, slowly decrement the rippler voltage, then slowly this waveform also slowly minimize. See here in phase. Totally the wave should be in phase. That is nothing but ending point. What is the ending point here? What is the end voltage here? Minus 166. So beam voltage 211 beam voltage. So we identified starting point and the ending point we identified. Like that we are going to vary 215, 220. Like that we have to set the beam voltage. Then we have to identify the starting point and the ending point with the help of oscilloscope. This is nothing but voltage characteristics using reflex klystron. Okay, if you have any queries, if you have any comments, please in my YouTube channel below that we have option. Please put the comments. So if you have any doubts, please put the comments. In future videos, I will update your doubts, all those clarification I will update. Thank you for watching.